My favorite things about Diwali is that it's a giant carnival with its festivities and the various food items. सारे रिश्तेदार इकट्ठा मिल जाते हैं and it's also the time to take out gadgets which everyone loves to hang out with. So here's our list of top gadgets that you can purchase under 50,000 this Diwali season. In my 10 years of reviewing gadgets, if there was one gadget my parents really care about, it was this. This is Saregama's Carvaan Bluetooth speaker. Now, if you're a retro music fan and love listening to Kishore Kumar, Mohammad Rafi, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Tai, then this is the best gift you can bring home this Diwali season. It has over 5,000 songs from these legends. So the Saregama Carvaan goes all the way from 2,500 to 14,999 at the top end. So depending on your budget, you can pick up whichever Carvaan you like and just sing away. Every family has a bookworm, and for those bookworms you can get a Kindle or even two. 2018's lineup of Kindles goes from 5,999 to northwards of 20,000 rupees. And 2018's Kindle Paperwhite is water resistant as well, so you can read it by the swimming pool also. Now for starters, a Kindle is an e-book reader on which you download digital e-books which you purchase from Amazon, and you can just read away. How many Kindle books can you store on the Kindle, you ask? Well, let's just say enough books that you may not be able to finish in a lifetime. Adventure is equal to amazing Instagram followers, super selfies, and of course super slow motion videos. Adventure is also equal to GoPro. Now the Hero 7 is one of the latest GoPro cameras and it's one of the most fun GoPro cameras ever. It has a dedicated selfie mode that can also shoot vertical videos which you can later upload on your Insta stories. You can go live on Facebook right from your GoPro camera, and it shoots these amazingly smooth, hyper smooth videos. Like always, the GoPro Hero 7 is also waterproof and it's got a range of accessories which lets you shoot in multiple situations, right from biking to diving to mountaineering and so on. But hey, make sure you invest in an extra battery pack because you do not want to run out of juice on your GoPro just when you're summiting Mount Everest. So what's the smartest and the most fun way to introduce your kids to the internet? If your answer is a smartphone, that's a bad answer. And parents who are using a smartphone to introduce their kids to the internet, that's bad parenting. Instead, why not invest in a smart speaker? The Google Home and Amazon Echo Plus are two devices that bring alive the wonders of the internet in a voice command which almost sounds like a human voice. You can make these smart speakers do a lot of things such as tell you a joke, answer that GK question, or even play your favorite songs. Now when you're in a family setup during Diwali and do not really want to search for that song on your phone to play at an occasion, you can just tell a Google Home or an Amazon Echo Plus to play that song with the trigger commands and the song will be played. These are just a few things you can do with smart speakers, and there are tons of other things that you can do, so it's a good idea to invest in one of these this Diwali season. I know, all that socializing can get really heavy, even for the greatest extroverts out there. But for introverts like me, there is hope. Thank God for the Google Chromecast and the Amazon Fire Stick. Seriously, there's a part of me sometimes during Diwali who just wishes that I was locked up in my room with my big ass TV and watching all these shows. Because yeah, socializing after a point gets a bit too much for me. House of Cards is out with season 6, Julia Roberts is coming out with her first web series called Homecoming, Narcos' latest season is going up on air very soon in November, and of course there's that horror classic Haunting of Hill House. There's lots to watch but very little time, so go away humans. Just in case, you were thinking of investing in a brand new TV but do not have a very heavy budget, thanks to losing all that money at the Teen Pati party night, Xiaomi is here to your rescue. The smartphone giant which began selling smart TVs in India just a couple of months ago have already sold over 1 million TVs. And the reason for that is the excellent value proposition that the Xiaomi TVs offer. The Mi TV 4 Pro is one of the best of the lot, and under 50,000 you get excellent image quality, excellent video quality, a really slim form factor TV, but out of the box you will not get Amazon Prime or Netflix. For that you will have to invest separately in a Fire Stick or a Chromecast. I know we are tech too and we are all about gadgets and technology, but Diwali is a season to enjoy with your family, your friends, stuff your face with laddus and chaklis. So this festive season, spend a little more time with humans. And of course, keep that Wi-Fi switch off. This is me, Nimish, signing off and wish you guys a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year.